Hi everyone, it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon and I'm outside listening to the birds chirp and thought that I would give you all an update about the coming up week. Again, not very good at this new technology thing, but we're giving it a shot. I'm learning all kinds of new things. Drinking coffee in the middle of the afternoon. Sounds good. Okay, so I found these great new propaganda posters and that somebody had put together. So I put these all throughout the PowerPoint that we're going to go through here today. So we were notified by College Board last week that there will be no face-to-face exam administration. It's going to be online. It'll be a 45-minute test and it will be a free response exam. So they haven't said for sure if that's going to be an LEQ or short answer. I can't imagine it being a DBQ because it's only going to be 45 minutes. Our best guess is that it's going to be short answer. We'll know all those details, they say, by Friday, April the 3rd. So as they come up with the updates, I will let you guys know for sure. Also don't know the exact date of the exam. They say there may be 2 different dates to choose from. I'm assuming one of those dates will be close to the original exam date, but we'll see how that goes. Also, the content is only going to go up through time period 7, which is what we just finished, the end of World War II. And so, again, we'll know more specifics by April the 3rd. So, and I do have this PowerPoint Google slide presentation on Google Classroom, and I'll show you where that's posted here in just a minute. I decided that since the test is not going to cover anything past time period 7, that it would be to our benefit to just start reviewing. We have 7 time periods. We've got 6 weeks, or I'm guessing 6 weeks before the exam, and so that would give us a week for each time period if I put time period 1 and 2 together. So that's kind of what I've planned for. And again, I've got all this on Google Classroom, and I'll show you guys in just a minute when we get there. So like I said, I've posted all of the lesson plans for this week in Google Classroom. Everything will not be due until the end of the day, and I mean midnight Friday night. That allows you to kind of work at your own pace. I don't know what your schedules look like at home. I know for me, I'm outside because I was going to record inside. My husband's making a grilled cheese, and I couldn't do it in the kitchen, and we've got 5 of us living at home now trying to work and do school, so it gets kind of crazy, and I'm sure you guys all have issues like that you're dealing with. Please be patient with me. I'm not very proficient when it comes to technology, but if anything is unclear, just email me. I will monitor my email regularly so that I can help in any way possible. So this is the link to the lesson plans that I have posted. Let me see. I don't know if this will work. We'll see if I can go back to it. Let's see. I know on your screen you're probably not seeing everything here. I've got links in here. Here for Monday is to watch this recording and to watch some other videos. Anything that is assigned to you, you have a copy of it in Google Classroom as an assignment. Okay, so hopefully that will help you understand what I'm talking about. And again, if you have any questions, just email me. I hope it's clear in the assignment, and I've put room in that Google Doc to continue on through the weeks, depending on how many weeks that this goes. All right, so I wanted to finish up this update with just a quick review for short answer because, like I said, we're assuming short answer is what the test is going to look like, so I thought it would be to our benefit to just review short answer. I'm throwing some pictures in here from our progressive speed dating that I thought you guys looked real cute in. Okay, so there are different types of short answer questions. One type is where they have 2 historians varying viewpoints or perspectives about a topic, and they want you to be able to analyze and identify, the different viewpoints and probably give some evidence to support each viewpoint. Another type of question is where you have a primary source that you have to analyze, like that could be a political cartoon, a document, a table, a graph, a picture, some type of stimulus primary source. And then the third type is just a question that has no stimulus prompt whatsoever. Each type of question tested either compare contrast or causation as the historical thinking skill. All of this could change when we find those details out on April the 3rd, but I think this is the route that they will probably go. Remember when you're, and I'm saying all this because I'm going to give you a short answer question to do each week from the time period that we're reviewing. And so remember, when you answer short answer question, you want to give 3 to 4 solid sentences per task. And remember, there's A, B, and C. So that would be a total of 9 to 12 solid sentences per SAQ set. Remember, we use the acronym IDEA when we're answering a short answer, which is identify a proper noun, describe or define the proper noun, explain the connection of the proper noun to the task, and then you've answered the question. Here are some different review videos for the short answer. You certainly don't have to watch all of them. These are the ones that I found that are good, that might help you when you're answering those short answer questions. The rest of this is just some cute pictures of you guys. I miss you all. I wish we were back in school. I do love a break, but this is not really the kind of break that we look forward to. Some historical viewing recommendations for you guys. Some of these I've already talked about. For Turn, the entire series is on Netflix and it's amazing. Hell on Wheels, entire series. You don't have to wait for anything, already on Netflix. I just started a new one on Amazon, and it's called Jamestown, about those tobacco wives that were sent to Jamestown. And I think season 1 is the only thing that's free. I've watched about 3 episodes and it's pretty good too. Alrighty. Last but not least, just final thoughts. This is new for all of us, and so let's be patient with one another, encourage each other, support one another. And again, if you have any questions, thoughts, comments, concerns, anything you want to tell me, give me some good recommendations, please let me know. I think during this time period, at least for me, it's very easy sometimes to try to get very fearful of things that I have no control over, but I refuse to let my life be dominated by fear. My faith is something that really has been a sustaining force the last couple of weeks, and will continue to be for me. And so find something that helps you, whether that's your faith or a hobby or something like that. Also, I've been sewing quite a bit, and I like that. I hope you guys have a great week, and again, please contact me with any questions or concerns. We'll see you guys later.